Surya Namaskar, sun salutation, is one of the very common practices which is done not only to heal your body but your mind as well. It has amazing effect on your body and your mind. Practice Surya Namaskar. One round of Surya Namaskar is of 12 steps. We practice 12 different steps in one round. So when you practice Surya Namaskar, start with Namaste position. Keep your eyes closed and try to visualize the rising sun and rays of sun falling on your body, blessing you with all its powers, with all its glow, with all its energy. Balance your body. In the second round, inhale, lift up your hands and bend back as much as possible. Third round, exhale and touch the floor, leave your neck loose, let the blood flow towards your skull. Next round, inhale, chest up, face up. While exhaling, come to the Danda position, which means your back should be straight in a flow. Inhale more, come to Shashtanga Pranam, chin, chest, knees, toes and elbows on the floor, which means 8 body parts on the floor. That's why it is called Shashtanga or Ashtanga Pranam. Inhale and come to the Bhujangasana position. Exhale, Adhomukhi Shwanasana. Try to touch your heels to the floor and look at your toes. Inhale, bring your opposite leg forward, face up, chest up, bend your back. Exhale, let the blood flow towards your skull. Inhale, lift up your arms. Exhale, come back to Namaste position. Again, with your closed eyes, try to visualize the rising sun giving all his glow, glory, energy, power to me when I practice sun salutation. This is one round of Surya Namaskar with 12 steps, and when you practice it every day, you make sure you start with 2 to 3 rounds and you take your practice to 12 rounds. We don't need to practice it more than 12 rounds. There is a fad, you do it for 100 times, 50 times, we don't need to do that. 12 repetitions of Surya Namaskar is more than enough. You practice it every day and you will have a healthy and beautiful life.